Let's sing about three-dimensional shapes. No two look the same. We see these 6 shapes everywhere. Let's learn them all by name. Let's start with spheres like the Earth and the Moon and the Sun in our sky of blue. Balls are spheres that are lots of fun. Oranges and marbles are too. There are 6 sides on each cube you find, and each side is a square. Sugar and blocks can be shaped like cubes, like the ice cubes in your glass there. Let's sing about three-dimensional shapes. No two look the same. We see these 6 shapes everywhere. Let's learn them all by name. Rectangular prisms have 6 sides. I can think of quite a few. Like a shoebox, a train car, a long stick of butter, a brick and a suitcase too. With a circle on the bottom and a point at the top. A cone is a shape you'll see. Party hats and teepees are shaped like cones, and so is a green pine tree. Let's sing about three-dimensional shapes. No two look the same. We see these 6 shapes everywhere. Let's learn them all by name. Cylinders of circles at each end, like a soup can or paper towel roll. Drinking straws and glasses have cylinder shapes, and so does our school flagpole. What shape has 3 or more triangular sides and a point at the top? Can you guess? A base can be a square or a different shape. Say a pyramid and I'll say yes. Let's sing about three-dimensional shapes. No two look the same. We see these 6 shapes everywhere. Now you know them all by name.
Good day, everyone! We are the Group 4 and we are here to present our 3D objects. Airplane is a flying vehicle that picks wings and engines or propellers that thrust it forwards through the air. It's most common when you travel long distance to take an airplane.
This is our 3D model of airplane. We use different shapes to make it, such as triangles and circles. And we all know that it symbolizes freedom, motivation, and direction. It's association with flying that represent aspirations or your ability to soar high.
But this airplane of us has a story to be told, which is the story of our great hero, which are the OFW or the overseas Filipino workers. This became the transportation for their dreams to make their family to have a good life. Their sacrifices and hard work are so much recognizable, and we really salute them for that. Thank you so much to all OFW. You really inspire us.
This is our 3D model of family. I use different shapes here such as square, rectangle, circle, cylinder, half circle, and many more. Family is the most important thing for us, especially we Filipino. We really value family. Having a simple and happy family is all what we wanted. But sometimes it is not enough because the life here in our country is not that easy. And our mother or father have no choice but to go to abroad and become an OFW. They will sacrifice to go to a faraway country just to give us a better life, to make sure that they can provide our necessities and wants. This is the right time to say to our mother and father, whether they are OFW or not, that we are so proud to them, that we are so thankful to have a parents like them, that willing to sacrifice and do their best just to raise our family, to make sure that we have a home, that we have We can shelter the food in our table and the needs and wants of us and make our family to have a good life. Thank you so much, Mama and Papa.
This is our 3D model of baggage, balikbayan bags, money, and dollar. I use different shapes such as square, triangle, and rectangle. This model represents the story of an OFW from the very start that they decided to pack their things and clothes in their baggage with their determination and courage to go to another country just to provide us money and make our life to become better. The balikbayan bags that we're always excited to open because of many chocolate and pasalubong. But before it goes to our home, there's a story to be told. From the sacrifices, hard work, the sweat and tears of our beloved OFW. We thank you for your motivation and dedication. Your burning passion and courage really gives us the reason to voice out your story, to tell to the world that we all are really proud of all of you.
OFW, mga bagong bayani. Mula nang ako'y isilang at lumaki, naririnig ko na ang salitang OFW. Nakakaramdam ako ng galak at tuwa tuwing maririnig ito. Dahil bigla na lang sasagi sa isipan ko ang mga tsokolate, balikbayan box, at mga pasalubong galing ibang bansa. Pero lingid pala sa aking kaalaman na sa bawat pasalubong at tsokolate na aking natatanggap ay may isang kwento ng pagsasakripisyo at paghihirap ng isang OFW. Nasa airport ka pa lang alam namin na labis na ang lungkot na nadarama pagkat mawawalay ka sa iyong mga mahal pero kailangan. Habang palapag ang eroplano kung saan ka nakasakay na patungo sa ibang bansa, alam ko na unti-unti ka nang nadudurog. Pero dahil ikaw ay matatag, pipilitin mong muling buuin at maging positibo ang sarili. Pagkat ikaw ay Pilipino, na kahit anumang pagsubok na kaharapin ay pipiliin pa rin umiti. Kahit na mahirap ang trabaho at may lungkot ka na nadarama dahil mismo na ang iyong pamilya sa ating bansa. Konting chat at video call lang sa kanila ay muli ka na namang magkakaroon ng dahilan upang ipagpatuloy ang laban. Lugaw at pandesal ang iyong kinakain. Makapagpadala ka lang at mabigyan ng magandang buhay ang iyong pamilya. Salamat sa sakripisyo niyo